goal of this program is building applied AI knowledge. So the goal is not just to build a lot of theoretical knowledge, but it's about guided hands-on. So now you don't know any programming. So like you are zero at programming, so you zero at SQL, you are zero at mathematics. So we teach everything from basics. So how exactly it's going to happen is, so we start the particular class. So we install certain things using Python and we make you to do it. We write certain code and again parallel in the class we make you to do it. So it's a guided hands-on learning. So by end of each class you have something you already implemented. So you don't need to again, once the class is completed, again you don't need to waste another 1.5 hour to sit and practice everything. So by end of the class itself, the live class, you're able to have something you practiced it. And the similar lines, so we build 6 to 7 end-to-end generative AI POCs in the live classes. So now you have 6 to 7 projects to place in your resume as well. So now by end of each class, you have something already implemented to showcase in the resume, to showcase to the recruiters so that you are able to brag about it. And those projects are not just Kaggle projects, they are at a real-time scale projects. So like you're able to showcase them at a real-time scale. You have a certain problem statement, you have a certain ROI attached to it, you have a certain roles and responsibilities attached to it. So you're able to file that as a freelancing or a consulting or an internship of your choice. So like you're able to file those experience in your profile. And the next one is the schedule is pretty much like a weekday and a weekend. So you can learn, if you want a weekday batch, there is a weekday batch. If you want a weekend batch, there is a weekend batch. So where exactly the goal is again, like especially suitable for the working professional time zones and time slots which are available. And you will be learning core concepts like Python, SQL. DSA is not important. If you want to, you can learn it. It's a part of the syllabus. Applied statistics, you will be learning machine learning. And again, while you're learning machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, the goal is not just to know about what it is. The goal is to know about why machine learning, why supervised learning, why unsupervised learning. So why this algorithm, why this mathematical equation, why this evaluation metrics, so why this explainable AI, so why this responsible AI. So the end-to-end flow of it using Azure platforms, using AWS platforms. So how the things work, who are all the team members connected in the project, all of this you will be learning it. And you'll be learning generative AI like RAG architectures, prompt engineering, fine-tuning SLMs, so like vector databases using Chroma, Pinecone, Weaviate. So agentic AI building. So like agentic AI development, single agent architecture, multi-agent architecture using LangChains, LangGraphs, True AI. So like AutoGen libraries. And you are trying to perform end-to-end deployment using MLOps, LLM Ops pipelines. So using Dockers, Kubernetes. So we call CI/CD pipelines basically using cloud platforms. And you'll be working on advanced deep learning like computer vision. You'll be working on transformer theory. You'll be working on autoencoders. You'll be working on GAN. So all of this stuff, you'll be learning it. And the reason we came up with working professional design program is the goal is not just to learn something. The goal is to build something in your profile. You need to sound confident. The goal is not just to watch some videos and say I know AI. The goal is to be confident, to manage the team, or to do at a real time level with more confidence, to resolve the issues on your own, to build an architects on generative AI on your own. So that is the actual goal of this training. So now you are building something, not just learning. And as I said, it is like we keep on updating the profile. So based on the current job requirement, we constantly look at the LinkedIn and we look at the job roles, and whichever the skills are getting added, we keep on updating it so that you get that latest stuff getting updated to you as well. And we provide one-on-one mentorship to crack your interviews. We guide you on how to build a right resume and what are all the points we placed in the resume. You will be getting a detailed walkthrough how to explain them in an interview, and you will be getting a pure mentorship. You will be getting interview questions and how to explain them based on a star approach. And you are able to get, we see the JD, based on the JD how to prepare for the interviews. We will be guiding you, and all of this means like dedicated one-on-one interview mentorship going to happen on AI roles, generative AI roles, or agentic AI roles based on your background, based on your experience. So now we want to preserve your experience, we want to preserve your salary, and we want to get a hike. So like we'll be working around this three zones so that you are able to get a hike, not just to start again as a fresher. And it is designed, as I said, for your schedule. And these are the real-time projects you are able to go through. and this is the curriculum which you go through. In case if you want to have a customized roadmap, you're able to drop your details. I'll be reaching out to you so we can work on detailed customized roadmap on AI, generative AI, agentic AI, so that you're able to make a successful career switch within like 180 days is the goal. So within 180 days, how you can build a portfolio, how you can make a switch, so that without wasting your time. So as you spend 1 2 years on learning this, automatically it may be getting outdated. So like you always need to make a switch as early as possible. For that reason, the schedule is around max 180 days, so that you're able to make a switch within 180 days. In case if you want to know more about it, how to make a switch from zero to generative AI within 180 days, please book a slot. We will be reaching out to you. We'll be giving you with a customized career transition plan. Thank you so much. For more details, the links are in the description.